Hey, this is Peter, and welcome to another Take a Break with Valley CAD. So we're in the end of February and early March of 2022. We're going to be talking about here something that's new in SOLIDWORKS 2022. And by the way, Service Pack 1 is out now. So one of the cool functions that I'm going to talk about here is actually, well, just one function I should say, is the aspect of the S key and how much more powerful it got here. Yeah, it's super cool. So this is gonna be a shorter video, but oh my goodness, this is one of my favorite functions inside of SOLIDWORKS 2022. So go get your favorite cup of coffee or tea, and I'll see you in SOLIDWORKS in just a click. Hey there, welcome to SOLIDWORKS. So got this cool part here, and by the way, I am in SOLIDWORKS 2022 Service Pack 1. You can see that looking at the bottom left side of my screen here. Okay, so one other really cool thing that we're gonna look at here in SOLIDWORKS 2022 is that I'm actually working in what's called like a hybrid state. And what I mean by that is this file that I'm working with is actually made up of a file that was a BREP file. You can also see the same example like working with an STL, but how I know this is looking at my solid bodies folder. It shows the cube. It kind of shows this like little polygonal shape next to it, and it looks like kind of like a little triangle coming off to the side. That's my way of knowing, hey, these are actually surface bodies that got imported in here. So in SOLIDWORKS 2022, you can actually utilize geometry such as this and apply SOLIDWORKS features onto it. Such as like, for instance, if I come in here, feature, we'll activate a fillet command here, and I'll do symmetrical and make this so that's a 2-inch radius on it. Why not? I'll come in here and click on that edge. SOLIDWORKS will come through and it'll recognize where these two faces terminate, thus allowing me to put a fillet all the way around this thing. Pretty cool. But also the other thing we do here, we can actually take like existing sketches and we can do a boss base extrude on that. We'll make that go up 2 millimeters as well and say, okay, but I did a little bit fast there. One thing to point out is it's allowing me to merge the results. So I'm utilizing SOLIDWORKS solid modeling and it's merging that to a surface body in a way, but it is a solid surface body. Okay, so the thing that I really wanted to show here is the S key. Like, S key is awesome. So if I come in here and push the letter S, we knew it as being able to, this is our shortcut key. And we knew it to come in and quickly grab features or add features as we see fit to this. But look what they added to this in 2022. They added the search all commands function down here. Awesome. So if you've seen some of my previous videos or if you've taken classes with us, you know that I love using the search commands function in the top right corner of my screen. And by default, it normally looks like that, right? SOLIDWORKS help on there. But if you push the letter W, that will activate the search commands function. So like if I, for instance, come in here and type in split, right? That'll show me my command and I could come in, activate it there. I could add it to my command manager across the top. I don't have to do that anymore. I just push the letter S as my shortcut key and I can even search for things here. So for instance, I come in here and go into split line, bam, split line activated. What's also really cool about this is that I can actually add that same sort of function. I can add that to my shortcut command window. So I could click and drag, done. Not a big deal, right? If I push S again, I could take this, and if I hold down Alt and drag, that will get rid of it for me. So like I said, pretty short, sweet video, but utilizing that S command for shortcut is stinking awesome. And by the way, that shortcut command works on different variables based off of what sort of function you're in. So here I am inside of a sketch. If I push the letter S, here are all my functions for accessing sketch commands. Pretty cool. And assemblies has the same sort of thing too. So utilizing that S key for shortcut, very powerful, and it's even more powerful now that we can search commands with it. Sweet. So if you are liking these videos, please click that thumbs up button. Also click subscribe so you can get notified of future Take a Break videos and other videos that we are posting here at Valley CAD. Leave us a comment down below. Also email us to say, hey, I would love to see a video about this, or hey, what sort of things you might want to see in the future. Just reach out to us. We love talking to you. We enjoy the emails and the comments we have received already so far. Have a great rest of the day and make sure you learn something new.